Hello you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually doing my hair right now. As you can see, I just ran downstairs because I thought I forgot I had the camera right here. Anyway, they're about to premiere the third season of Bridgerton, the trailer, and so I'm just like waiting. There's music. You know how they get down with the get down, so I'm just waiting. It's at 10 o'clock. It's 9:57 right now, so we finna watch it, friend. So exciting. There's like a chat. So exciting. Yeah, send that. Ah. Yay, yay. So exciting, so exciting. Okay. It says it begins in 4 minutes. I guess they're doing a little after 10. But anyway, I'm still doing my hair too, so yeah. Seconds, 18 seconds. You gotta pay attention now. I'm glad I'm about done with this one. Let me finish my hair. They teasing me. I'm ready for the season, okay? Good morning, you guys. As you see, I finished my hair. I just had it up because I was in the shower. But I'm about to go get colon hydrotherapy. My homegirl went the other day and I was like, girl, what is that? And so when she told me, I was like, I need it. Like basically they stick this tube up your booty hole and it flushes water through and cleans out like all that poop. You can see it coming out the tube and everything. So for vacation, let's do that. Like, I know y'all probably never heard this in a vacation prep, but let's get it popping. Anyway, let me put this stuff on, y'all. I gotta put my skincare on. So I'm gonna be using my Dr. Dennis Gross. This is normally what I be using, y'all. Like, I'm obsessed with this stuff. I use it every day, the serum and the moisturizer. Like, look at my skin. Let's just be for real. Okay, yeah, I've been picking at my skin too sometimes and get dark marks. But girl, honey, they go away. They go away and it ain't even that deep. Love the imperfections. But yeah, so I need to do that. I need to get my nails redone, but like I'm still obsessed with this set. But I need to get them done. So I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm so obsessed with this set. I need the same person who did this to be there. So I need to call them and see who that was to make sure he gets me. And I also need to get my brows done. You see they look a little bushy, friend. I need to get that done. And then we got a pack for sure. I mean, we certainly got a pack, babes. Oh, so much to do, so little time. But first things first. Get your colon cleansed. Okay, you guys, so I have made it. Let me show you guys where it's at. This is the place I am going. I didn't, weight loss come through. Anyway, this is it. They got a loaded mac and cheese bar. I feel like as soon as I come out of here, I am gonna be hungry. What's today? They open at 10:30. Bet I'm probably gonna get this when I come out. I've never had like loaded mac and cheese, y'all, so I wonder what toppings they got. It'll be so good if they got some like fried chicken pieces. Anyway, it is 10:20 and I guess I should go ahead and go in. Be early. So I will see what I can get inside of there, you guys. Friend, I've never experienced anything like that. Everybody was like, oh, you don't feel anything, baby, when it first started, the water started going through it. I was like, bitch, hold on, cause I don't know what's going on. So you gotta hold it and let the water fill you up and then push out. That pushing out and feeling like that little tube was enough is interesting. Cause like I felt like my booty was gonna push that tube right on out when I pooped, but it didn't. It's crazy, friend. But I saw a lot coming out and I'm like, oh Jesus. Anywho, let's go home. Oh, they gave me some electrolytes. Gotta restore. And then they gave me this packet or this instruction thing of foods I can't really eat. Kind of say bread, dairy products, raw vegetables, fried foods. Like, honey, what you leaving me? You ain't leaving me nothing. The day of the session, she should have said that. I'm hungry. Like, what I'm finna eat? I'm back home. They had strict instructions for what I can and cannot eat. Well, they didn't tell me what I could eat. They just told me what I couldn't. So they told me to avoid raw vegetables, salt, bread, soft drinks, fried foods, dairy products. So I'm eating rice and salmon and marinated egg. Let me show you guys because I haven't shown y'all my marinated eggs. But this is what it looks like. I've let it marinate for like 24 hours at this point. So it's so brown. And y'all, when you bust that yolk open, like, look at that. It's a whole different type of egg. It's crazy. But I marinated it in like soy sauce, sugar. It's just like a bunch of stuff. And then I did air fry this salmon. So smoky, so delicious. It's good. I didn't put much on it. I just kind of marinated in the same marinade of the eggs. And warm up some rice. It's gonna get it. But my body feels really good. Very good. I feel so clean, y'all. I woke up this morning and got right on the road because I had to bring Sky. Then I need to get back to Atlanta to get my nails done. And I also have an event to go to tonight. So yeah, it's 10:30 and I'm already in Cordial already. So she just got out. She just like running all over the place. But yeah, I actually got me a breast sandwich. I'm going to go ahead and tear that down. And then probably head back to charge my car, then get back on this road. How crazy. It's going to be a very hectic day, but it's the day before I travel because we leave for Punta Cana tomorrow. I'm back on the road. I charged my car. I need to really head straight to Atlantic Station, but I'm not. Look at the popo trying to find somebody. Y'all, they was right up there. I'm just going 77 in a 70, so they can't really say that to me. But Lord, they be out here trying to get the folks. And they take their money. They tax money. Anyway, I actually took a nap at the gas station, like at the charging station. Because that thing said 50 minutes. I was like, oh, I need a nap, baby. So I took me a little nap. I think I should go straight on to Atlantic Station, get my nails done. And then after that, I could go home. I don't know. We'll see. It just depends. I gotta see if my editor is done with my video. Then I should probably go home first and then go to Atlanta Station. But we'll see. It is about 10 or 11 p.m. at night, the day before my flight. And let me just show y'all what we got going on here because I'm packing. I've picked out everything that I think I want. I may add a few more things, but let me show y'all what I got. So I have a bunch of swimsuits here and some cover-ups. These are some white shorts. I have no idea what I want to go with that. We got a few night dresses and then day dresses. And then this little romper thingy just for some lounge rounds in the morning. These pants are what I'm wearing there. I'm gonna find some kind of sweater to go with it. And we have our luggage here. Y'all know we always pack by putting our clothes in this little bad boy, which is my stow and go. So you just put, like, I'll probably put my dresses here. I think I'm gonna put my swimsuits in one of those like bags there. And then I'll put my day clothes here, my night clothes here. And I also have my toiletry bag, which is normally already packed for me. I just keep the same thing and travel, but I'm gonna look through this to see what else I need. And that's gonna pretty much be it, y'all. It really ain't much that I need to pack because I'm only there for 3 nights. Good morning. I finished packing, y'all. I got everything good and right. It's the next day. It's like, what time is it? It is 8:30 in the morning. I'm probably gonna leave out around 9. My flight doesn't depart until 12:25, but I like to get in there, sit in the lounge, finish up some stuff beforehand. So I'm gonna go ahead and go probably 9 or 9:30. I don't know. But I have my carry-on. Check bag is packed. And then I have this kind of crossbody carry-on. I love this thing. Everything is right in front of me, like my passports, my money, all that stuff is in front of me. You know what I'm saying? Like if you want to square up, we can do what you want to do. You ain't getting here, buddy. You're not getting here. You know? That's why I like it like that. Then I have my headphones because you guys know I prefer my Audio Technicas. Listen, I'm just so into don't talk to me. Like let me put these on, block out all the noise. And I even put the adapter thing for my phone. And then I can use it like this for my iPad. So boom. And they really get really small. That's what I like. I like that. Packed up. Got some bags in there, swimsuits, sandals, toiletries, tripods, lights, makeup, and the clothing thing with all my clothes in it. So let me go ahead and seal this bad boy up. Yo, I just realized I never showed y'all my nails. These are my nails for vacay. Let me tell y'all, I had a little situation in there. The manager of the nail place actually gave me a discount because I asked this guy to put a black dot like here and here, like just where these lines meet on these 2 nails, right? And I asked him to put a white dot where these meet on these 2 nails. Y'all, he quoted me $15 for 4 dots. And so I was like, I'm not giving a tip. I can't. Like at this point, you upcharge me. This set was already $120. No, at this point, you're literally just upcharging me, and for fucking what? And for fucking, no. I'm drawing the line. I don't care. And so anyway, I ended up getting my mani-pedi for like $170. Still expensive as fuck, you know. But whatever, I didn't tip. Because even my line, like, I told a lady that the line on the big toe was too thick. Y'all, she kept trying to talk me into thinking that it wasn't. Like, bitch, just correct it. What is you saying? I can see. You know? But anyway, that was my little nail experience this time. I was not feeling it. But I'm going to be very specific with who I go to when I go there at Lush Nail in Atlantic Station. Because the guy I went to last time, this is my second time going to him, and I don't like him. But there's 2 guys there that I do like, so I'm just going to start requesting them. I'm about to go. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this vlog up now, and I will see you guys in my next vlog when we're in Punta Cana. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.